Hello and welcome back to Sci-Fi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this pizza saver bug robot with using just a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items that you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is a pizza saver, a DC vibrating motor, 2 red LEDs, a green LED, a 3-volt button cell battery holder, a 3-volt button cell battery, and a light switch. And of course, you're also going to need some wires. Now, let's go into the simplest project and let's get started. First, I'm going to start with these 2 items. I'm going to take the center pin of the light switch and place it over to the positive of the button cell battery holder. Solder it into place, just like this. Next, I'm going to take these 3 LEDs and connect them to the pizza saver. And the idea is to take the 2 cathodes and connect them together and place them on top. Next, I'm going to take the 2 cathodes of the red LEDs and solder them together. First, I'm going to solder 10 the leads. Next, I'm going to bend the cathode leads. Both the same, just like this, and solder them together. And I'm going to place the LEDs on top of the pizza saver. Glue them into place. Using a little bit of super glue and activator, you should hold into place almost instantly. And there, held into place. Next, I'm going to solder 10 the green LED. Next, I'm going to take this positive wire and connect the 2 anodes together. There we go, just like this. Next, I'm going to go and glue the green LED into place. Next, I'm going to take this negative wire and I'm going to connect all of the cathodes together, starting with the red LED's cathodes. And now connect it to the cathode of the green LED. Next, I'm going to take the positive wire and link all of the anodes together. Connect it to the red LED's anodes, and now connect it to the anode of the green LED. And there, should look just like this. Make a quick test to make sure the LEDs still work. And as you can see, the red one works, and the green works. Good, I didn't burn out the LEDs. I have right here this vibrating DC motor, and I'm going to connect these wires to the leads of the DC vibrating motor. Solder them into place. Make a quick test, and the DC motor works. Next, I'm going to take the vibrating DC motor and I'm going to place it on the bottom of this robot. I'm going to place a dab of hot glue, just like this, and take the vibrating DC motor and glue it into place. Put some more hot glue to be able to ensure it stays in place. And there we go, the glue is now solidified. And now I'm going to go and connect the DC motor to the connections of the LEDs. Next, I'm going to go and solder 10 the negative of the button cell battery holder and solder one of the leads of the slide switch. Now I'm going to take a positive wire, solder it to the slide switch, and a negative wire to the negative of the button cell battery holder. Next, I'm going to put some hot glue onto the button cell battery holder. Glue it into place, just like this. And now solder the positive wire to the anode of the LEDs, and solder the negative wire to the cathode of the LEDs. And there, this circuit is now complete. Next, I'm going to put some more hot glue to make sure everything is glued down into place, so that way everything stays in place more firm. More hot glue on this side. because, to be honest, the super glue didn't really work so well. And there you have it, everything is now glued into place. Next, I'm going to take the 3V button cell battery and place it inside of the 3V button cell battery holder. And there. Now, let's go ahead and test it out. Turn on the switch. And there, it works. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own pizza saver bug robot with using just a few simple parts. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.